Start.
I am joined CIMAGE in 2021. I have added several new skills. I started to learn new programming languages like Python. I started to practice meditation and yoga. Thank you.
कैसे प्लान करेंगे नेक्स्ट ईयर?
I plan to next year was a lot of skills. I learned.
Okay, next. Next. Start.
My name is Anamika Kumari. My 2020 went very well, but when the pandemic happened, I missed a lot of things. Because of this, I could not take admission. Then later, I took admission in the CIMAGE. When pandemic was happened, I thought this year was not a good year. But after going to college, I met a lot of friends and I enjoyed a lot. In college, I learned a lot of things. After that, my year went well. In 2021, my friends and I planned a go trip on Jaipur, but in the pandemic, I can't go. But after pandemic, we think that then go to on trip. Then I took admission in CIMAGE. Then it's my regret of 2021. Done, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning to all of you. So today I'm going to say and share my experience about 2021. This year 2021 is really a very enthusiastic and also a little bit sorrowful year for me. It is enthusiastic because in this year I experienced a lot of things in my life. Like first of all, I got admission in the CIMAGE college. So this is the first year of my life in college. I experienced a lot of thing about college life.
You may not keep your camera on. Who will know that who is speaking? Start again and keep your camera on. And after that, you.
So I'm telling about that I took admission in CIMAGE college and I experienced a lot of thing about college life, and also I meet a lot of people in this year which are very new for me, and I make a lot of friends here. Also some little bit sorrowful things is that I got separated from my family because of joining college. I have to live in hostel only for attending the college. And thank you.
Many times also I fall friends and so on.
Start
so this
again.
year is
Start
also
again.
sorrowful
Start again.
and elastic for me. because in this year I'm getting admission in college. This is
Please start again.
college where
Start
I
again, Kamini.
learn.
Start again. Start again. Start properly. Yes.
Start. First of all, a lovely good morning to all of you. Myself, Kamini. Today I'm going to tell you my experience or how is my going to year 2021. Firstly, in 2021, I'm falling apart from many people like my family, my friends. And in 2021, I meet from many people, new friends, new families, new roommates. This is the year in which I give admission in Siemens College, in which I spent many memorable moments, and I learned many skilled, which was first time for me. Also, I'm experienced uh, how we live in hostel apart from family, and overall this year is both sorrowful and enthusiastic for me. And after 2021, I want to learn all things as I want in 2022 and do all things as I want. Thank you.
Sonali, you want to speak? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Can I start, ma'am?
Yes, yes, start.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning to all of you. My name is Sonali Kumari, and I want to share my feeling about 2021. 2021 is good for me because in 2021, my biggest achievement is I get admission in CMH College. This is the best achievement due to some reason because in previous year, I'm totally confused which course is good for me and my career. But by the help of social sites, I know about CMH and I finally get admission in CMH College. After admission, by the help of CMH faculty, I improve my various skills. This is my best achievement of 2021, and I also make a lot of friends. And it is not completely good for me. I regret because I try to give my best in my study. I always try to work hard, but due to certain reasons and some family problem, I cannot give my best, and I also suffer from biggest problems. And one thing I highlight is special for me is that after I get admission in CMH, I learn many programs and I get many more knowledge in IT sectors. And my programming for 2022, I try to give my best in my study to make my career bright, and I proud my parents. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.
Suman Kumari, start.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Suman Kumari and I am student of BCAKU first sem. As we all know, today is activity class of Friday. So I want to share my experience of 2021. 2021 was not good enough, whatever I has expected from it at the starting of the year. At the starting of 2021, it was felt that there will be all things go smoothly, but at the starting of the year, there was lockdown for the first month of it. Many people lost their relatives in the COVID pandemic. COVID taught us to use mask and sanitizer on regular basis like our daily routine. I have not any regret at all. My great achievement, our great achievement for the country is that Neeraj Chopra, who won the gold medal in 2020 Tokyo Olympics for India. My achievement is that I took admission in Simich Professional College in month of June and meet and learn a lot of from the teachers. The greatest achievement is that the last month of 2021, when I went to Inspiro 2021 at Gyan Bhavan, I enjoyed a lot with my friends. My plan for 2022 is that I will learn communicative English and different programming language. Thank you. Ma'am, you are muted. Your voice is not coming.
Not muted. Setu? Setu Raj, are you there? सेतु राज, आप सुन नहीं रहे क्या?
Yes, ma'am, I'm listening.
चलो,
Good morning, everyone.
let us hear your presentation.
Good morning, everyone. So I'm here to speak on the topic how was my 2021 and what will be my resolution for 2022. So 2021 was wonderful, yet with some regrets. There were many ups and downs throughout the year. 2021 was hard year too. As of 2021, due to second wave of corona, there were many losses of lives. Sadly, 3 and 4 teachers of my previous school got infected and lost their life. But the turning point was for me was applying for college. On entrance day, I was happy yet nervous as I had my first interview in my life. Bridge courses of college were fun and helpful. I met new friends, tried to speak in front of class, got appraised. University courses had been new challenge. We all wanted to perform good. As for 2022, I want to prove myself, want a new laptop and to learn many more programming languages. Thank you.
Roll 56. Roll number 23. Nobody is there. So today only Suman Kumari, Anamika, Shivam and Setu Raj are present. बाकी सब तो absent है आज.
No, ma'am.
Yeah. Start.
Okay. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning to everyone. My name is Abhishek, and today I'm going to share my experience of 2021. As we all know that half of 2021 was the pandemic of corona, and we were suffering from that. And we can say that we were trying to recovering from that particular pandemic. So I can say half of 2021 was not good for me, but after this, I taken admission in CMS, and it was a good experience. There was a lot of things to learn, to meet with new people. We formed a group there, and we formed a group there, and then I did not know how I completed my my half of 2021, and I don't even know that. Sorry, ma'am. Okay, and my plan for 2022 is to go on a trip on Nepal and do bungee jumping there. And I think that I will give the first priority to enjoy 2022, not like 2021, and then study or anything. Thank you.
Okay, good. Yes, next.
मैम मेरा
हाँ बोलिए.
मैं नहीं लिख पाया हूँ मैम अच्छे.
नहीं लिख पाए तो जानते तो होंगे ना कि पिछला साल कैसा बीता.
यस
लिखने की बात क्या है? सब जान रहे हैं कि मेरा साल कैसा बीता. इसमें लिखने की बात क्या है? बताइए.
2021 कोरोना के वजह से इस बार अच्छा उतना नहीं रहा, लेकिन कुछ अच्छा भी रहा. इस बार कम से कम 2 साल से कहीं क्लास नहीं जा रहे थे. इस बार हम सीमें ज्वाइन कर किए और नया कोर्स स्टार्ट किए, जिसमें कि मेरा 1 साल वेस्ट गया था कोरोना के कारण मैं कहीं एडमिशन नहीं ले पाया था।
तो चलिए, आपका आगे का साल में क्या प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं, आप कैसे प्लान कर रहे हैं?
आगे के प्रोग्राम में हम रेगुलर क्लास में आकर के कुछ अच्छे से सीखना है, प्रोग्रामिंग वगैरह सीखना है। जॉब के लिए प्रिपरेशन वगैरह कराया जाता है कॉलेज की तरफ से, उस पर ध्यान देना है। और इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करना है।
इंग्लिश को तो बिल्कुल इम्प्रूव करना है, इस इंग्लिश के बिना कहीं कोई गुजारा आज के दिन में है नहीं। तो चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, इंग्लिश तो बिल्कुल आपको इम्प्रूव करना है।
यस मैम।
चलिए नेक्स्ट।
Yeah.
Start.
Hello everyone, myself Kusan from your class. So for me this year was so good, full of up and downs, a lot of life lessons. I met a lot of people and also lose some of my close friends. Then I got admission in Siemens College. This year is so life-changing for me. In this year, I learned how to be on your own. People come and go like seasons change, but in the end, you and your family is the only one who stays with you. And you have to learn how to deal with every problems and face them. So this year teaches me a lot of things. So be focused and achieve your dreams. Happy New Year, everyone, in advance.
Good morning, all of you. I am Rahul Kumar. Today I am going to tell how did my 2021 go. This year, was full up and downs. In 2021, I met a lot of people and also lose someone of my close friends. In this year, I got admission in Siemens College. I am experiencing hostel life. For now, it's not easy to live alone, apart of family. But this is life. We have to go through every circumstance. So this year teaches me a lot of things. Happy New Year, all of you in advance. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Atish Kumar, and I am going to tell about spend my 2021. In this year, I have gained a lot of experience. I try to learn a lot of many things. I was enjoying my life. It was a golden life. Then I got admission in Siemens. I started my DCA, so got to know many new things. However, it is still going on, and Happy New Year to all of you. Thank you.
Anybody else?
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sanket Kumar, and I am here to share my experience on past 21 years. 21 was full of ups and downs, and I meet a lot of people and also lose some of my close friends. Good morning, everyone. My name is Sanket Kumar, and I am here to share my experience on spending 2021. I tried to learn a lot many things.
मेरा नहीं
किसका माइक्रोफोन ऑन
वहाँ पे होगा कहीं ये लोग में
My name is Saket Kumar and I am here to share my experience on spending 2021. I have gained a lot of experience. I tried to learn a lot of many things. A golden life I spent in 2021. I started my BCA, so I got to know many new things. However, it is still going on. I got admission in CMES, so I learned many more things about CMES, and my college life is starting with 2021. So I am just enjoying my college life. That's all. Thank you.
Start.
Good morning to all. I am going to share some few moments of 2021 I spent. Initially, it was very enjoyable. I spent my time in the fields and in playing games in 2021 before my June. But when I started my class in 2021 in my June, then the life became very difficult. No time I got for the playing, and so now the life has completely changed. It is busy life, and in education also I got so many new topics and subjects. So it was interesting also, and now I am giving more focus on my education, not giving any unwanted work, not doing. So most of the time I am giving my time on the studying, and in the planning of 2022 is also the same like that, because in 2021 the more syllabus I will get, so I will focus completely on my education so that I can perform well, and I want your blessing, and
It's always
also
there with you.
Happy New Year for the 2021. I am sharing 21. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.